Happy Thanksgiving! Today we are celebrating Turkey Day.
Yeah, normally we have a bunch of people here, but this year we'll be celebrating alone, so come get lost with us in some turkey.
Gobble gobble.
Oh, I'm so glad you guys made it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you ring that notification bell because when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're still going to be dropping off the STRAT. And I can't wait to take you guys with us. So let's go.
We kind of did a little bit of the prep work already, but it's time to throw the turkey in the oven, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So because it's just a turkey breast, because it's just Gary and I, it actually came with this like interesting packet of turkey gravy. So it tells you like the directions on how to like thicken it. So I'm really curious to see how that's going to be like. But I'll give you guys a little sneak peek here of what we do with our turkey. So we learned a couple years ago to wrap your turkey in bacon. And if this was the whole turkey, I probably would be flipping the turkey upside down. But because it's just the turkey breast, there's not really a whole lot of juices to run into it. And the bacon should keep it nice and saturated. And that's the other thing with turkey is you want it moist. You don't want a dry turkey. And the bacon actually really helps infuse flavor and moisture into your turkey. So just a legit tip there for your Thanksgiving or even Christmas celebrations in the future. Try it, you won't regret it. So our oven's already preheated, and I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse into the legit household and what we have to go through every time we cook in our kitchen. So sit back, and you might want to turn the TV down.
So we have this fan on to offset the lovely smoke detector, which is right here. And then Macy will turn on the other fan.
Oh, don't. Alright, turning on the big fan. Opening the oven. And in she goes. Let's see what happens. Usually it takes about a second. Wow. So it didn't do it this time. But usually what happens the second we open the oven is that fire alarm goes off for at least 5 to 10 seconds, and sometimes if it's long enough, it'll set off the others. So it's quite hilarious. But I guarantee you, the next time we open the oven or later on, it's probably gonna go off again. So we'll definitely show you that when it actually happens. So stick around and we'll come get you when the next stuff goes in the oven.
Master got me working.
That definitely should make the cut. Welcome back. We were gone for about 2 hours, and now that we have about an hour left, it's time to peel the potatoes so that we can make mashed potatoes. Now, when I was a kid, a lot of times, this was not how we made mashed potatoes. You want to know how we made mashed potatoes? From a box. Well, that was my Thanksgiving mashed potatoes. What about you? What was yours?
No. My family typically made homemade mashed potatoes. Someone would make it when we go to our grandparents' house.
Yeah, if we were going to my grandma's, then yeah, we would have like real mashed potatoes. But if it was just us as a family, most of the time it was boxed. Box stuffing. I definitely have an affinity for canned cranberry sauce, and I don't care. It's good. But like cranberry sauce from the can, mashed potatoes from a box, stuffing from a box. Yeah. But I enjoy actual mashed potatoes, so stick around because I've got a lot of cooking going on now. It's good enough. Peeling the potatoes. Alright, so I'm cooking the onions and the celery here. Good stuff. And we got our potatoes ready to boil. So it's now time to open the oven again. The turkey is still in there, but we got about 45 minutes left, so it's time to put the green bean casserole in. And then I'm gonna set a timer for about 10 minutes and then we'll throw the stuffing in because that only has to go in for 35 minutes. So here we go. Let's see if we'll be as lucky as we were last time. It's like the house knows. The house knows that it's on camera and it's on its best behavior. That's the only thing I can think of at this point. But I just realized I forgot to take out the yeast balls. Whoops. How long do they have to like set?
Probably an hour or so. So you should be fine.
Yeah, we're at like 45 minutes, so. Alright. I guess we could use one of these pans, because I got extras. Might as well. Spray, place, cool. Alright, so it says spray your pan. Alright, so our potatoes are good. Now we're going to use this fancy doodad that I learned about last year. And it is a potato ricer. I think you could basically use it to rice anything, but essentially, if you've ever used a garlic press, it's like a giant garlic press, which I think is pretty cool. The only thing is that it's really hot, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna pan out here, but I just don't want to burn my fingers, so I'm just gonna kind of scoop it in here like this, and then voila. And it kind of leaves it still like a little bit kind of chunky, but it's so much easier than having to but here's the problem. Found the missing piece. I was wrong. Alright, now it shouldn't get stuck. So much potato goodness. These potatoes are definitely mushy. But they're gonna become mush, so I don't know. It's not a bad thing.
Right, it's gonna be mashed potatoes anyways. You're gonna have a lot of potatoes, mashed potatoes, by the way.
Well, I guess it's a good thing we like mashed potatoes.
So for HelloFresh, typically for 2 people, they send you 1 big potato, and we
Yeah.
have 4. So
I think we had 5 actually. I think we did 5. I was just like, yeah, whatever. They heat up okay though. Mashed potatoes are the one potato that you can reheat.
Right.
Any other type of potato, you really can't reheat it. We're almost done. It is done. Computer, make dining.
So what are you thankful for this year?
So this year, I'm thankful for several things. First of all, I'm thankful no more surgeries, so that was cool. 2, I'm thankful for another year with you. 3, I'm thankful that our audience, our legit audience, is like growing astronomically. So every single person that has supported us from the very beginning, even if you just found us today, like huge thank you for sticking it out with us and helping us find our way, so to speak, in the whole like YouTube world and just being there for us. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that There's tons more that I think I'm thankful for, but I would probably be here for hours if I listed every single item. But huge shout out to all of our new followers, the people who have been here, and thank you to my husband. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for, of course, my time with Nacy. I'm happy that we're in Vegas in nice warm weather. I'm totally happy that we're married. This is our second Thanksgiving together, so that's awesome as well. I'm also thankful for all of you out there, all those supporters on Patreon that have been helping us, people who've bought stuff off of our Amazon wish list to help us, all of you amazing people out there that are just watching the videos, giving us thumbs up. Even you, whoever's out there who dislikes our video, still love you for watching it. So we appreciate all of that out there, and we're just totally grateful for this opportunity to be able to do this, to be able to travel, to be able to visit different places. Can't wait, and I'm looking forward to another year of doing more crazy things that we've never done before, and hopefully hitting that 1,000 subscribers so we can finally jump off the STRAT too.
Woo! Jumping off the STRAT. What about Tom Brady?
Am I thankful for Tom Brady?
Yeah.
I'm thankful that the Bucks are good. I don't know if that's thankful for Tom Brady, but I'm thankful that the Bucks are good. So,
Anyways.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish up this year, and make sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do multiple videos.
And we'll come get you in the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Woo! We are starting our legit holiday
Holiday
tomorrow. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow. We will be posting a video every day from now until January 1st.
Yeah, every day. So make sure not to miss one.
And we're really excited for you guys to check it out. And it was a lot of fun taping. And we really had a fun time eating some turkey today with you guys.
Yeah, so don't forget to like this video.
Hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth? Bye, y'all.
Bye.